Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into the world of radiant skin, and I'm so excited to share some amazing tips with you. We all dream of having that flawless, luminous complexion, and while makeup can certainly help, true radiance starts from within. In this video, I'm going to reveal 5 incredible beverages and a super easy to follow diet plan that will nourish your skin from the inside out. We're talking about ingredients that are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and all the good stuff your skin craves. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. And if you're loving these tips, give this video a big thumbs up and share it with your friends. Now, let's get glowing. Let's start with a drink that's practically synonymous with tropical paradise coconut water. But this isn't just a delicious thirst quencher, it's also a powerhouse for your skin. Think of coconut water as nature's own electrolyte drink, except way more delicious and beneficial. It's overflowing with essential nutrients like vitamin C, potassium, and antioxidants that work wonders from the inside out. One of the key things coconut water does is flush out toxins that can dull your complexion. It's like a mini detox in a bottle. And because it's so hydrating, it helps to plump up your skin, making it look and feel supple and smooth. But there's more. Coconut water is amazing for reducing acne breakouts. It helps to balance your skin's pH levels, which can prevent those pesky blemishes from popping up in the first place. For the best results, try having a glass of fresh coconut water every day, ideally on an empty stomach. You'll be amazed by how much brighter and more radiant your skin looks and feels. Next up is a drink that's practically legendary for its health benefits, green tea. This ancient beverage is a treasure trove of antioxidants, particularly polyphenols, which are incredible for fighting those pesky free radicals that can damage your skin and accelerate aging. Think of free radicals as little troublemakers that wreak havoc on your skin cells, leading to wrinkles, fine lines, and age spots. Green tea's potent antioxidants swoop in like superheroes, neutralizing those free radicals and protecting your skin from premature aging. But that's not all. Green tea also has incredible anti-inflammatory properties, making it a lifesaver for those with sensitive or acne-prone skin. It helps to soothe redness, irritation, and inflammation, leaving your skin feeling calm and balanced. To reap the full benefits of green tea, try incorporating it into your daily routine. Aim for 2 cups a day, one in the morning for a refreshing start and another in the afternoon for a midday pick-me-up. If you're looking for a natural remedy to soothe and heal your skin from the inside out, look no further than aloe vera juice. You know how amazing aloe vera gel feels on sunburns? Well, imagine that soothing power working its magic from within. Aloe vera juice is like a tall glass of hydration for your skin. It's brimming with vitamins E and C, along with beta-carotene, all of which are essential for maintaining your skin's elasticity, fighting off damage, and keeping it looking plump and youthful. One of the things I love most about aloe vera juice is its ability to reduce inflammation. Whether you're dealing with acne, eczema, or just general skin sensitivity, aloe vera can help to calm things down and promote healing. Now, I know the taste of pure aloe vera juice might not be everyone's cup of tea, but here's a little trick. Blend 2 to 3 tablespoons of fresh aloe vera gel with water, or add it to your favorite smoothie. You'll get all the benefits without the strong taste. Ready for a vibrant boost of nutrients that will make your skin radiate from within? Let's talk about carrot and beetroot juice. A delicious and potent combination that's like a superfood for your complexion. This vibrant juice is packed with beta-carotene, a powerful antioxidant that your body converts into vitamin A. Vitamin A is essential for cell growth and repair, which means it helps to heal damaged skin cells and promote a healthy, youthful complexion. But here's the fun part. The beta-carotene in carrots and beetroots can actually give your skin a healthy, natural glow. It's like a subtle tan from the inside out. This juice is also a good source of iron, which is essential for carrying oxygen to your skin cells, keeping them healthy and vibrant. And let's not forget about the fiber content, which aids in digestion and helps to eliminate toxins from your body, all contributing to that lit-from-within glow. To get your daily dose of this skin-loving elixir, try juicing 1 carrot and 1 beetroot together. It's best to drink it fresh in the morning for maximum absorption and benefits. Let's talk about a classic morning ritual that does wonders for your skin: lemon water with honey. This simple yet powerful drink is like a refreshing detox for your entire system, and the benefits for your skin are undeniable. Lemons are like little bursts of sunshine, packed with vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that helps to brighten your complexion and fade away dark spots and hyperpigmentation. Vitamin C also plays a crucial role in collagen production, which keeps your skin firm and elastic. Honey, on the other hand, is a natural humectant, meaning it draws moisture to your skin and keeps it hydrated from the inside out. It also possesses antibacterial properties, which can help to prevent breakouts and keep your skin clear. Together, lemon and honey create a powerful synergy that detoxifies your body, brightens your complexion, and gives your skin a healthy, radiant glow. To make this magical elixir, simply squeeze the juice of half a lemon into a glass of warm water and add a teaspoon of raw, organic honey. Drink it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach to kickstart your day and your skin's radiance. Now that you know the 5 magical beverages for glowing skin, let's talk about a simple diet plan to amplify their effects and nourish your skin from the inside out. Remember, achieving that flawless, radiant complexion isn't just about what you put on your skin, it's also about what you put into your body. Start your day with a glass of lemon water with honey or coconut water. This will help to cleanse your system and hydrate your skin from the get-go. For breakfast, opt for a bowl of oatmeal topped with fresh berries and a sprinkle of nuts for a boost of antioxidants and healthy fats. When those mid-morning cravings hit, reach for a handful of almonds or walnuts. These nuts are packed with vitamin E and omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for maintaining your skin's elasticity and keeping it moisturized. For a nourishing lunch, aim for a balance of lean protein like grilled chicken or tofu, a serving of quinoa or brown rice for complex carbohydrates, and a colorful salad with plenty of leafy greens and veggies. And don't forget your glass of carrot and beetroot juice. Time for another skin-loving beverage. Sip on a cup of green tea with a few slices of cucumber for added hydration and a refreshing flavor. As you wind down for the day, opt for a lighter dinner like baked fish or a lentil soup with steamed vegetables. Pair it with a glass of aloe vera juice for its soothing and healing properties. Before you drift off to dreamland, treat yourself to a cup of warm chamomile tea. Chamomile is known for its calming properties and can help to reduce stress, which can wreak havoc on your skin. Remember, this is just a sample diet plan, and you can adjust it to fit your own preferences and dietary needs. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey to flawless, radiant skin. I hope you found these tips helpful and that you're excited to incorporate these amazing beverages and dietary changes into your routine. Remember, true beauty comes from within, and by nourishing your body with the right nutrients and hydration, you'll be amazed by how much your skin will thank you. Stay tuned for more videos on beauty, wellness, and everything in between. Until next time, stay healthy, stay radiant, and embrace your natural glow.